So, okay, tell me what is given to you in the problem. Can you read? Can you read the problem? I'll teach you how to analyze it. An object is placed at right angle to the principal axis of the concave mirror at a distance of 30 centimeter. So first important thing is given to you that object distance will be taken as minus 30 centimeter. So it is given to you that object distance to be taken as minus 30 centimeter. So which mirror has been provided to you there? So concave mirror. So I will be able to show here a concave mirror which would appear to me like this. This is a concave mirror. You will be having this as the principal axis for it. So object distance is given to you minus 30 centimeter. For a concave mirror, it has been told to you. Then it is said that the image formed is real. What do you mean by real image? Real, as well as it will be inverted on the left side only. So you will be having the magnification that is to be taken as real and twice the size of the object. It means that magnification here, small m, will be taken as equal to minus of 2. Because it is mentioning about the real image, it will be formed on this side, not beyond this part. Able to get it? It will not be formed inside the mirror. It will not be a virtual image. It will be a real image. So it will be formed in front of the mirror here. Right? So this is given to you. So can I write down this as minus of V by U is equal to minus of 2. So value of V will be equal to twice U. So from that, you can find out the value of V, that will be equal to how much? 2 multiplied by minus of 30. So you will be having the answer as minus 60 centimeter. So magnification has been given to you double. So obviously the V to U relation will be always double in this case. It was not a guess. Are you understanding my point? It was not your guess. It is actually magnification, that is minus 2. That will give you the relation between V and U, that is equal to twice relation. Okay? Now, in this case, you have now got U as well as V. So use the formula here, 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 upon F. So you will be having 1 upon minus 60 plus 1 upon minus 30, that is equal to 1 upon F. So can you calculate the focal length? So this is to be multiplied by 2. This is also to be multiplied by 2. So minus 3 by 60 will be there. Minus 3 by 60, yani F will be equal to minus of 20 centimeter. So focal length is determined. In the second part, you are asked to find out the position of the object. Find another position. The first position you have calculated here. The first position of the image is minus 60. First position of the object is given to you as minus 30 centimeter. Second position to be calculated such that the size of image will be again twice the size of the object. Now when this is possible? Near the mirror, matlab in between focal focus as well as the pole. F and P के बीच में होगा तभी magnified मिलेगा आपको. That is what we have seen in the theory. So you have to just find out that part. So उसके लिए क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to take the magnification small m is equal to plus 2. So minus of V upon U is equal to plus 2. So value of V will be equal to minus of twice U. Again use the formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 upon F. So you will be having here 1 upon minus of twice U plus 1 upon 2U multiplied by 2 is equal to 1 upon F. So you will be having this as minus 1 plus 2. Minus 1 plus 2, that will be giving me 1 upon 2U. Right? Is equal to 1 upon focal length. The focal length is minus 20. So you will be getting this as 10. So object distance will be taken as minus 10 centimeter. The image formed here, V will be equal to how much? Minus of twice U. So image will be formed at minus of 2 multiplied by minus 10. So that will be taken as plus 20 centimeter. So it will be on the right side, the image will be formed at 20 centimeter. The new position of the object will be minus 10 centimeter. Now only in which case you are getting it? Say, you can change the value, m plus 2 लिया होगा ना? m एक बार minus 2 लेना पड़ेगा, एक बार plus 2 लेना पड़ेगा. तो दोनों लिए फॉर्मूले कैसे लिया? तो आया ना आंसर? That can work. अच्छा, before attempting the problem, how many of you were feeling it difficult and now it is simple, appearing simple? क्या अभी भी difficult लग रहा है? If you are feeling at some point that this is difficult, let me know. कहाँ difficult लग रहा है, मुझे पता होने दो. Any questions from your side? Any doubts? Any question? Have you finished? Write down. The focal length of a concave mirror is 30 centimeter. Find the position of the object. Find the position of the object in front of the mirror so that the image is 3 times. So that the image is 3 times the size of the object. Concave mirror is given to you. Minus. किसका आंसर बता रहे हो? कैसे निकाला? कैसे निकाला वो तो इंपॉर्टेंट है. U is equal to m minus 1 into f upon m. So what is the value of m you have taken? No, look, that is how it is there. It is not mentioning the type of image. Not necessary in front of the mirror. If you are having the object, it may be virtual, it may be erect. It can have 3 times the size. So actually, it is not, the problem is not mentioning about the type of the magnification. Am I right? As it is not telling you about the type of magnification, you have to assume both. First, you have to consider m is equal to minus 3. Second time, you have to consider m is equal to plus 3 and solve the problem. So minus 3 minus 1 will be 4. Minus 4 into f will be there. So f value is 30. Minus 30 will be there. Right? And divided by minus 3 again. So you can use that direct formula and get the answer. One answer would be minus 40. Plus 40 नहीं आएगा. Minus 40 because object distance will be always negative. Option में plus 40 भी मिलेगा आपको. And second answer is minus 20. Tell loudly to others which formula you are using. You can use it directly or you can follow the process. Now look at it. That way we have given the formula. If you are using it directly, you can get it in a small duration of time. If you follow the process, it is going to take the time. So object distance is given by m minus 1 upon m multiplied by focal length. Minus 40. Minus आएगा ना? Minus 40 minus 20. Yes, object distance निकालना है भाई. Object distance हमेशा negative ही रहता है ना? Anything? Now you can understand what is the importance of this formula. Now you look at it in this manner. The same problem is there. Focal length is 30 centimeter and magnification is 2 times. What will be the answer? तो पहले केस में m का वैल्यू -2 लोगे तो क्या मिलेगा? -2 -1 -3 by -2. That is 3 by 2 रहेगा. 3 by 2 multiplied by 30. Will you be able to get the answer faster? अब प्रोसेस यूज करने की जरूरत नहीं है. यू कैनॉट डिपेंड ऑन द प्रोसेस. यू कैन वर्क विद दिस फॉर्मूला एंड गेट द आंसर फास्टर. Getting it? Write down. A candle flame 0.5 centimeter high is kept between a wall and a concave mirror of focal length 1.5 meter such that its image (1.5 centimeter high) is formed on the wall. Find the distance of the candle from the wall also the distance between wall and concave mirror. It is very important, those who are unable to get the solution, we should understand why they are unable to get the solution. So you have to speak up. If you don't speak up, you will never be able to conquer the problems. After reading the problem, you are not getting connected with the formulae. After reading the problem, if you are unable to understand the wording of the problem, what is the problem? You have to come up with that. These are all easier questions and they have already appeared in NEET examination. So if you are unable to solve the problem, please raise the question. You can get the hint and you can solve it faster. Once you get the solution, your confidence level will be also more. The first important thing that is given to you, a candle flame 0.5 centimeter high is kept between the wall and a concave mirror of focal length 1.5 meter such that its image is 1.5 centimeter high. So you can use the formula magnification is equal to size of image upon size of object. If you have used that, you will be able to get the magnification 3. Now the question arises, where will be the wall? If you are taking the wall to the left side, then only it will get a magnified image. When your object is lying between focus as well as the center of curvature, you are able to get the magnified image there. So you need to understand this part. So it is clear that magnification should be taken as minus of 3. So minus of V by U is equal to minus of 3. So value of V will be equal to 3U. Okay. Now you can proceed ahead. It is given to you focal length as 1.5 meter. That is 150 centimeter. If you want to get the answer in centimeter. So can you use the formula 1 by V plus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F? Concave mirror is given to you, so its focal length will be taken as minus of 1.5 meter. V is taken as equal to 3u. So 1 upon 3u plus 1 upon u is equal to 1 upon minus 1.5. Get the answer for u. Once you have calculated the value of u, get the value of v. Value of v will be the distance between the pole and the screen. Then subtract the distance between the object and the image distance. You will get the distance of flame to the wall. What the answer? If you are having a doubt, you can ask me directly. How many of you have got the answer? दिक्कत कहाँ जा रही है वो बताओगे तो I will be able to help you. Correct. So image distance is measured from pole of the concave mirror to the wall. So distance between the wall and mirror is 6 meter. Now what is the object distance? Object distance कितना है? +1 by u है. तो आपने माइनस यूज किया होगा तो आंसर बदल हो जाएगा ना, मतलब आंसर विल बी डिफरेंट. So if you use that formula 1 by v plus 1 by u is equal to 1 by f, you will be able to calculate the image distance. So image distance is measured from pole to the image formation. Right? Now that is a total distance. Image distance is total, pole to the wall. Object distance will be from pole to the object. So remaining will be the distance of flame to the wall. Subtract करना है सिर्फ. So anyone from the boys can explain this problem? Be bold enough, come forward. कर दो शुरू. Come. You can bring your copy and show it, no problem. So if you have not got the solution, you can check it out.
Firstly, they told the height of the flame. Then they given the height of the image. So I took the magnification directly as m is equal to -3.
Actually, we are having here magnification size of image upon size of object. Size of image is 1.5 centimeter, size of object is 0.5. So 1.5 upon 0.5, that will be giving us the answer as 3. Right? Now question arises, why he is taking -3? Because the wall is on the left and you are taking the image on the wall. That is why he is taking m as -3. Okay? Proceed.
They asked the distance between wall and the candle, and then the distance between wall and the mirror. They asked these two. So what I did was I just found the distance between the distance of image first, because if we get any one of these, so we can apply the value of u here. So I directly took the formula of u as the last formula. U is equal to F is given. So magnification is -3 -1 by -3 of 150 centimeter, -150 centimeter. So I converted the meter into centimeter. Then -4 by -3 into -150. So minus will be get cancelled. 3 ones are 350s are 4 5s are 20, 200 minus 200 centimeters. I got the U. So the distance. So from here to here, it is 200 centimeter. Then I used a formula of mirror. 1 by F is equal to 1 by V plus 1 by U. So I know focal length. So I have to find out the distance of image. 1 by V plus 1 by minus 200. The distance of object is given.
Let's find the value of image distance.
So it will be minus V is equal to then one by V is 1 by 200. So now V is equal to 600 centimeters. So I got the distance of image from the pole. So it is minus 600 centimeter. Then the distance.
So where you were stuck? Where your answer got wrong? So sign convention is extremely important and we have talked about it. You cannot take it lightly. You have to take it seriously. If sign conventions are wrong, your answers are going to be wrong. Okay? So this is for today. We'll meet tomorrow and continue the discussion. We'll initially start with problems tomorrow and then we'll be moving for the discussion of prism. See you. One more thing before I leave, because I'll be for 2 days more, Sunday as well as Monday, I want someone to present any concept that I have taught to you for at least 5 minutes here. At least few students should take the initiative. You can take any concept. You can talk about twinkling of stars. You can talk about why the shape of the sun is large. You can talk about why we are feeling the floor elevated. But at least I can put it up to 2 minutes, 3 minutes is also sufficient. Something which you have learned above the textbook. If you feel that this is something we have done, I want you to share with everyone. So everyone has to come forward, speak for 2 minutes, 3 minutes, and proceed. You can say anything related to it. And one more request to you. How many questions are made? Nobody has reported to me. $64. Great. Very good. So I want 100 to be touched by Monday. So even if you are taking it, but you should try to build your own questions. That is also equally important. Okay? And formula number is 82, 84. So 16 away from the century. That will be 100% there in 2 days. Now actually, I may not be able to complete the whole content of it, but I can tell you the background is so created that even if you now read the content, you will be able to understand it. So please start reading the content and verify whether I have made a right statement or not. Okay? See you tomorrow. Bye. Good day. Sai Ram.